Imagine if you will abandon me. They played softly, but not for you. Sing it, Jay. Now tell me how you'd feel if I could buy away your sight for somebody new. Consider me tonight a poet's rhyme, and every line is speaking for itself. Ooh, girl. But to walk out of your life is not my choice. Not my choice, baby. 'Cause there's no joy in seeing someone else. You know, girl, should I stay or should I go? The rain is falling, so let me know. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. Let me